Okay, just make from like this. One line first, one line. Okay.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning. Make it first this line. Okay, just this line. Okay.
Sir, what are we making?
Today now is making the scenery. Okay, some scenery of Christmas. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done that much first? Fine. So we are going to the next steps. Okay. Scenery Christmas. We are just going to make its image over here. This Christmas tree, okay, just small Christmas tree and house. We're doing, Christmas sceneries means that we are doing lots of house and Christmas trees and all those, right? So we are making some Christmas trees over here first, and the house, right? So this is one. So basically, Christmas tree like this. First, make this line like this. Okay. Okay. First line do like this line. Done. So after this line, you just make one, two, three, four, like this. One, two, three, four, like this. Okay. Very simple, pretty simple. We just do. Simple. We make house.
Sir, after this, can we make our own drawing?
Yeah, after this you can make your own drawing. Okay. First finish this one. We make once more tree over here. So this tree like bigger, little bigger than this. So first make the basic shape like this. The basic shape first draw. Okay. After the basic shape, draw like one, two, three, four. This tree is little back. One, two, three. आराम से करो. Take time, okay? No need to hurry up. Do like this.
Sir, please show me the next step.
Sorry, beta. What part? Any part you not understood? Tell me. I show it again. What part not understood, beta? Done. आराम से करो. Okay? Don't no need no hurry up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, any Hindi, English, ma'am? Can you tell me? Hindi, yeah, yeah. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Hindi, English, and English. Okay, tell me. But Tanvi, right? Yeah. I say do, ma'am. This is it 9-1. Can I tell me? I tell you now. 91 53 52 51 44. Yes, ma'am. This is. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is my phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm, all this. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So now after that we are going to house. Okay, this is some. We are making some house. So link. Okay. So house like you know. Here I draw some house. Or you can make it some more long big house. Okay. Yes. Yes, we are make some like this window. Aram se karo, take time. Okay. You make something here like this is called the chimney, like this is here some though out there like this. Okay, we are making something like that. We will make one more line from here, and here also make the tree. See the same tree. First make the basic line like this. Okay, aram se karo. First make this basic line, and then join this. Always first start from the basic. Basic, if you know, then it's very easy to draw. Aram se, take time. Okay, and no need to exact like my drawing. If one, you can add something your own drawing, own things can use. Okay, you can make once more house over here. I make once more house over here, so it looks good. Okay, I make once more house over here. Hello. Good. Yes, ma'am. How are you? आज ट्रबल कर रहा है आज. ओके 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 ओके. हाँ मैम, या मुझे पता था या. कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, बेस्ट ऑफ लक बोल दीजिए मेरे तरफ से. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके मैम, टेक केयर. बाय. Okay, so I'm making some more trees, the outer line. See, take time. This is the eyes. All are eyes. Okay, this is all eyes. Okay, here also all eyes. We make one snowman over here, so it looks great, right? Isn't it? Okay, आराम से, take time. We gotta make something here. The snowman, big snowman, so it looks good. Take your time. Niranjan, understood, beta? take time. Okay. We can make some green color in down here. Okay, this down part we are creating little green. So I feel that this is the eyes. The white part is the eyes. Okay. So make it in down part little green like this. And upper part you make the blue like this. So it look like a eyes covered this tree. Okay, this look like eyes cover the tree. Like this you can use your green color. Okay, आराम से. Hi, I'm a Brian not joined today. Any issue? Oh, okay, fine. Okay, no. Thank you so much. Oh. Okay, no. Okay. Yes, okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I can make some green color over here and here also. Okay. So this is the same technique. The green color is down, upper is the white color. We can put some little this blue. Little blue color like this, okay? You can use the borders like this. Okay. So here also I make the little blue color only. So it is because this is eyes. So no any ground color I put any other color. Okay. Now we make the Santa. This is a snowball. Snowball also I use all color. Maximum we using the blue, right? Because this is eyes area. Yeah. Okay, so here I put color like this. Hello, hi ma'am, Tapan sir here. Yeah, he's not joined yesterday. Yeah. No issue, not issue. Okay. No problem, no problem, no problem. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So, do here the with the only the cobalt blue color. I'm using only cobalt blue. You can use some others blue color for the plain ultramarine also sometime. Yeah. If you want to use some lights, you can use the yellow. So I'm using the French ultramarine over here. See, it's called the French ultramarine blue. Okay. Bharani Sipado, your name, what's up, beta? Parth, right? Yeah, your time is over today, class. Your time is the evening time, right? Isn't it? So you join. Oh, sorry. You join evening time, beta. Your time is evening, no?
Sir, you told to attend that Saturday morning or evening, Sunday morning or evening, right?
Yeah. No, actually, the class is almost over. If you morning join any one time, either Saturday, your class time is evening, isn't it? If you have any work, you can join other time. Suppose to your class time is Saturday evening, but Saturday evening you have some work, then you can join Sunday morning or Sunday evening. But class is one only in a week, right? You are weekly one class, right? Isn't it?
So he can join today evening, sir, no problem?
Yes, ma'am. Because this time almost over, so that only 5 minutes I'm here.
Yeah.
So that's why, okay. So
It's
please
okay.
join the
No
evening.
problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every day Saturday evening, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Every week, yeah. Saturday
Okay,
evening.
sorry for the trouble, sir.
No problem, ma'am. No problem. If I have any work in Saturday morning, then you can Saturday evening, then you can join
I will inform you.
other
I will
time.
inform you and he will join.
other time. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay,
much, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, so I am making here something blue colors like this. Okay.
So, Tapan sir, while you talk, the screen will go off. Your image will come.
Maybe some technical issues over there. Show beta, please. Very nice. Yes. First we show your drawing. We are making something. We are making something with more color over here. See, we are finish it just 2 minutes. Then your time up to 1 o'clock. So wait 2 minutes more. Yeah. See, I just put the some color over here. So everywhere I put the blue only for this drawing. Understand, Kashmi beta? Yeah, you can draw the own drawing. Yeah, if you finish this drawing, you can make your own drawing. Okay, I like that.
Tapan, now it's happening again more subjects because it is going off and on.
Again, that's the same thing, no?
Yeah.
I don't
I'm not
know.
sure it's just for me.
Yeah, just check it out for your side. I just check other students the same problem happening or not. Arshi beta, Arshi, when I talk, that time my skin goes out, or you can see always my skin. Okay, screen is on only, right? Amaya? Beta, when I talk, that time my skin is get out, or you always see my skin? You always see my skin, or when I talk, that time the skin goes, and when I'm not talk, that time skin you can see. You always see my skin, right?
I can see your phone.
Okay. 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 Now, one student facing problems. Yes, Chinchana, show beta.
Sir,
Yes, Chinchana beta, tell me.
your screen is coming off and on.
Yeah. Chinchana? Is my skin off and on?
Coming off and on.
Okay.
Sir,
Just
I have done your drawing and I have done one drawing also, your drawing also. Can I
please show. Please show. Kashbi beta, just once joins once again beta. I just cut it. But please join one again. Let's see the check it from my side. I cut your just one join again. Yes beta. Yeah. Agni Prabhu, show this so beta.
Sir, I have done your drawing. Please you see your drawing has my drawing.
Please show beta. Please show. It's nice.
See your drawing.
Yeah, I see your drawing beta.
Your drawing.
Sir, when can we leave?
Yeah, you can leave beta.
Sir, I have done your drawing also and my drawing.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Yeah.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, you
Sir,
can.
Can I leave?
You can leave beta.
Sir, see my drawing.
Nice.
Sir, see my drawing.
Wow, Arpon, very good drawing yours. Trisha, show your drawing. Yes, beta, please leave. Wow, very good art. Yeah, Kashbi. Kashbi, now is okay, beta. Kashbi, now you can see the skin.
I think it's the same problem.
Okay, I hope that just other device I give you the other link. Okay. So, yeah, Chinmay sir, I'll send the other link. You just check it out. That link also the same works same or not. Just 1 minute. I send you another link. Maybe here.
Now or later?
I just check it out for.
Now it's good. It's not good.
Now it's okay, right?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. It's happening sometimes. I hope we can fix the problem. No problem. Okay. Now the class almost.
Yes.
Just make the border line over here. Okay, show. Yeah, very.